Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Oriental rice. First, select the appropriate rice. A medium grain or long grain white rice works wonderfully for this style, providing that ideal texture. Remember to rinse your rice under cold water until it runs completely clear. This step effectively removes excess starch, ensuring your rice isn't overly sticky. Precise measurement is always key, so use a dedicated measuring cup for consistent results every time. Achieving the perfect texture starts with the correct water ratio. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 1/4 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Before cooking, consider soaking your rinsed rice in this measured water for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps the grains absorb water evenly, resulting in a wonderfully tender cook. A small pinch of salt, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, can also elevate the overall taste. Now, let's cook it on the stovetop. Place your rice and water in a heavy-bottomed pot and bring it to a vigorous boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this period, allowing the steam to work its magic and cook the rice evenly. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are up, resist the urge to peek. Instead, take the pot off the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It permits the steam to fully redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and fluffy. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff your beautifully cooked rice with a fork, separating the grains and preparing it for your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.